Hi friends. So today we came up with a video for the exercise when I this drawing or the design. You can see here. So in any drawing or the design, the- in order to draft it, main thing is where it should be started. It is very important, and with very less time. So how you can produce the productive drawing, that is very important. And you can see here. So from this center, if you start from the center, so it is having three holes, three circles with a diameter of 26 and 44 and 60. And then here also you will have the diameter of 44 and three holes he had given. So this is one hole and this is another. This is another. So these three holes having 26 dia, and also this 44 dia is similar for these three. Okay, so this one and this one and this one. So these all will 44. Okay. And now, so the center, the distance in between this center, it is actually 42 plus 30, it is 72. So we had given instead, that is 72. Okay. So now let us start this drawing. So first when you take the system, you need to go for the units. So you need to check it out, whether it will be in millimeters or not. And then limits 0 tab 0, 500 tab 500, Z enter up. Now I need to start that. So first of all, I need to draw these three circles which are having the diameter of 26, diameter of 26, diameter of 44, and diameter of 60. I need to select center diameter, diameter of 26, and then again diameter of 44, then again diameter of 60. Okay. So now, before that, it is having a horizontal and then a vertical line as a reference. Okay, so that you can draw by selecting a line. Make sure that dynamic usage is all. Okay. And again, a line. That's it. Okay. And then it is having 6 holes of 10 dia. So 6 holes, I mean the 10 dia. The hole is on a vertical line, but not on a horizontal line. So that I need to draw center dia on a vertical line I need to take. So that is the 10 dia circle I had drawn. And then again, I need to use the polar array. Select this form, enter, and select the center. That's it. Okay. And now, so this portion we had completed. And now with this center at a distance of 90 mm, and then again to the left, it is having a 42 mm. So this center is there. And at a distance of 30 mm, this center is there. Okay, so that I need to notify that. I need to draw that. Okay, so first I will take a line and then I will select this and I will drag to the up and 90, enter, and then to the left it is 42, enter, and then again I will take a line. So from this, I'll drag it and 30. Okay, then I need to draw the circles which are having the diameter of 44 and 26, 44 and 26 that I need to do. Simply you can do the middle. Select the diameter 44, then again 26, then again 44, then again 46. Okay, and now, so these two were completed, and this is having an arc in between these two circles, which is having 23 radius. Okay, so that I need to draw. So for that we will have the command fillet and then I need to give the radius. So that is 23. Enter. Then I can give the radius and I can place along these two circles. You will get the arc. And then again, I need to draw this arc with a radius of 105 r. Okay. So for that, it is passing through the tangentially through this on this circle and also on this circle. Okay. So for that, I will select the tangent radius. So I will select tangent on this circle or tangent on this circle, and I'm going to give you the radius as 105. So I got that. So unnecessary arc, I am going to do it. When you command trim, again, we did that. Okay. Like this. And then again, I need to join a line in between these two circuits. Okay. So for that, go for object snap settings, clear all, only select the tangent. Okay. And then you can select the line and you can select on this circle to this circle. That's it. Okay. And unnecessary lines, you can delete that. This one also. You can select the line. So make sure that on the object snap settings, everything has been selected. Okay. Then along this line, okay. And then the reference lines we're going to draw. Now, so this is having a long dash lines. Okay. So that I need to change it by the layer. Okay. So first of all, let us annotate it by giving the dimensions. So 3 holes with 26 dia and 60 diameter and 6 holes with 10 dia. So that I need to diameter, I need to represent. We can take the diameter. So you can give the diameter for this. Then again the diameter for this. And then again 105 radius. Then select the radius. For this curve, it is 105. Then again radius. For this curve, it is 23. And then again the linear distances. So for that, the linear. So from this center to this center is 90. And then from this center to this center, it is 30. And then again, from this center to this center, it is 42. Okay, so you can give it at the bottom. Select. So from this center, this one, it is 30. Then again, linear center in between these two, side distance of 30. Okay, so like this you can represent this. And regarding the reference lines, you can go ahead and by layer you can load this line and go selections. Okay, so like this you can make the 2D drawing very easy, and I think this video will be very informative and it will be very easy for you to craft. Please subscribe my channel so for make a help for having more videos and to do more practice on AutoCAD 2D. Thank you.